Morning, back here at Anton Jose Saron Sports Complex. Today is May 24, Saturday. It's exactly 1 hour na tayo nagpaikot-ikot since I arrived earlier at 6:17 and it's already 7:17. So medyo marami ding tao kanina. And now, medyo kumukunti na. Marami kasing nagtatanong sa akin kung ano yung status ng barangay and SK election this year, kung matuloy ba o mapostpone. Actually, naging barangay kagawad ako from December of 2010 up to February of 2023. So 13 years. And veterano na tayo pagdating sa barangay election since I participated in 4 barangay elections in 2007, 2010, 2013, and yung pinaka-last 2018. From 2007 barangay and SK elections to 2023 barangay and SK elections, at least 2 times na-postpone yung barangay elections. First, supposedly yung 2015 naging 2018. Then yung 2022 na move sa 2023. Yung 2023 postponement signed by BBM, na-declare ng Supreme Court yun na unconstitutional. Pero for the reason na practicality, natuloy pa rin yung 2023 barangay elections. With regard sa barangay and SK elections this year, merong Senate Bill number 216 na approve na in third and final reading, fixing the term of barangay officials from 3 to 4 years. While sa counterpart naman sa Congress, merong House Bill 11287, pero ito nasa second reading pa lang. And I think siguro pag-resume yun, baka papasan nila to for third and final reading. In this version, 6 years naman yun sa kanila. Then, meron ding lumalabas na talagang yung barangay elections is matutuloy on December 1. Kasi under COMELEC resolution, ang filing ng certificate of candidacy for this year's barangay elections will be on October 1 to 7. Then elections sa 1. So sabi naman ni Senator Amy, medyo alanganin kasi by October, BARM elections yun siya. Pero pag ako ang tatanungin, with my humble opinion, considering my experience na rin sa mga barangay elections, palagay ko there is a possibility that mapapasa talaga yung law. This time, hindi kasi postponement or extension ang term na ginagamit dito. It's fixing the term of barangay and SK official. So bawal kasi, sabi ng Supreme Court, unconstitutional talaga yung extension and postponement. So dito sila ngayon, amendments sa some sections ng RA 7160, fixing the term, yun na, 4 to 6 years. Kung 4 years, meaning to say yung election will be on October 2027. Then kung 6 years naman, so medyo malayo na, is 2029. Sa may balak na tumakbo, magpare-elect, just be prepared. Ano man yung magiging kahinatnan ng usaping to. Sa lahat ng mga barangay officials and may planong mag-participate sa BSKA, it can be this year or 2027. Good luck sa lahat.